3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Jesus.
I'm gonna pause the camera. Got 3 minutes until the implosion of the Ben Milam Hotel, 80-year-old building, downtown Houston. Okay, still about 2.5 minutes. I've got to be careful of the church over there. Let's get a little scan of the crowd gathered here. Not too many people, just enough. Police car right here. Minute Maid Park. More people. And there's Mr. Man. He's going to push the button. And there it is. Look quick, because it won't be there in a minute and a half. One more minute. Claire, 1 minute. Let's take a look. Down here is the one and only Claire in her chair. I'm a little nervous that brick's going to fly off and hit me in the head. One. You ready, Claire?
Did not disappoint.
I am shaking in my shoes.
Holy cow.
Sorry for the shaky hands. Oh my God. Holy cow. Oh, that was the coolest thing I've ever seen.
That should have been on the bucket list. I've done it. Anyway.
I'm still shaking. And here comes the dust. And I'm still shaking. And the dust. And I'm going to pause this, and starting to get in my eyes. And it stinks. Everyone else is leaving. Probably not a bad idea. Let's fold out that chair and skedaddle. All right. Nothing to see here, but Claire, what did you think of that? Look at me, I'm shaking. Let's get out. You want to get out of here? Okay. Was that cool or what? Okay.
They're standing right now.
Stopping. Why am I shaking? Can't stop the camera. No, it's stopped. Get out of here.